Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. So I am sitting here by the seawall. There is a shop here. There are some shops along the seawall here in Guyana. So this is my first time. I'm actually stopping at one of these shops along the seawall area here in Georgetown. I like this one. It looks relaxing and nice, and it's a really hot day and I need the breeze. So this one here is nice, as you can see. So I'm here and it's really breezy and it's nice. I'm having a non-alcoholic drink. It's a Malta. It's called a Malta. And I'm just sitting here enjoying some breeze. And it's a really lovely environment. I'm going to just show you a little bit. That's it there. It's really lovely. And you can see the ocean from here, guys. Let me put on my shades. So right there is the Atlantic Ocean. Right there's the Atlantic Ocean. And this cute little place, it's right here. So the Atlantic Ocean is right here and you get some fresh air, some fresh breeze, and it's really cute. So I am hanging out here for a little bit. I love the floor. It's really nice. So I am just relaxing here a bit. It's really hot here, so I just came to sit and chillax a bit. So just thought I might share this experience with you all. It's me here. See the lovely flowers. It's really breezy. It's relaxing, and it's really not expensive, I must say. So thank you for looking at my channel, and see you next time. Bye guys. Bye everyone.